Hi and welcome to Wholefood Kitchen with me, Chef Cynthia Louise, where you guys get to have a taste of what I've been doing in this glorious kitchen. Come in quite close and have a look at this. Don't be intimidated. Okay guys, this is exquisite whole food. And what I do with the recipes that you've been gifted is show you step by step from my kitchen to yours of how to execute these incredible flavors and textures. It's so amazing. What I find over the years, and the reason why I created this in the first place, was because people want to take me home after a cooking class, and now you have a taste of it. It's incredible, dairy-free goodness, and all these recipes serve your organs. And it's great to have something different to add to the dinner table. It's not a trend or a fad. So what I do is quite genius, actually, and I'm excited because I created this for you guys at home. I just love it so much. And the rest of my online cooking classes, which I have 150 recipes, which are just exquisite, are all there waiting to be, touched and looked at and made and deliciously eaten with you guys at home. So welcome. And thank you. Have I forgotten anything, Scott?
They can comment on the recipes below.
Comment on the recipes below. So every recipe has a comment section. So you can print that recipe. You can watch me step by step, stop, fast forward, rewind, pause. Okay, incredible, right? And I'm there with you 100% of the way. And then down the bottom of each recipe, you've got a comment section. Hey, Cynthia, I made the berry ganache cake, but I didn't have raspberries. What other berries can I use? And I can help you and guide you on that way. And then to top this off, which I love, is our favorite Facebook private group that I've ever had in my entire life, where lots of people are showing me recipes that they're making from the online classes. So you guys have got a taste of that. Welcome to the Whole Foods Kitchen. And I'll see you guys online. Bye.